different camps of political parties, which is good. That's what needs to happen. When we fight together.
Together, yes.
Our enemy is one. Our enemy is foreigners. Yes. So let's continue to fight. Amaquads are nothing. A piece of paper, I'm still saying. No matter I keep a judgment. It's not gonna stop us.
Yes.
Yep, as you hear, Uzandile Dubula, who is the president of Dudula, which is a movement that fights foreigners in South Africa. Actually, not just fight foreigners, fight illegal immigrants in South Africa, saying that this is just a piece of paper. Lenkulumo yakhe iqhamuka emva kokuthi inkantolo enkulu yase South Africa ikhiphe ijudgment ukuthi the organizations like March and March, Dudula, and this other lady, or just any South Africans, have no right to turn back abantu abaye emakliniki abangama illegal foreigners, but futhi ama South Africans does not have any right to fight for school positions ukuthi kuqale ama South Africans. But guys, but this is so funny. It's just so sad. It's not even funny. You can't even explain it. Ukuthi usho kanjani ukuthi uma ngabe ngihleli emzini wami ngilwa ngithi ukudla ngncane, I want to dish up for my kids first. You say wena ayingane zakamakhelwane azingene zidle nazo, I mustn't close the door. So mina ngirong uma ngabe ngivala umnyango ngithi cha, lezi ngane ngoba lezi zakamakhelwane angimazi umama wazo ukuthi bayazi ukuthi balana yini, so therefore I cannot be able to assist. And then wena uthi cha, it doesn't matter ukuthi le ngane lezi uyazazi ukuthi zizalo sibanibani. Like guys, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense. Like it's just so frustrating. Like does Ramaphosa think hayi son uyacabanga ekhanda kuthiwa okay, let me not be emotional, ne? So the court of law says South Africans have no right of chasing away illegal immigrants. Ngabe ngezwe ukuthi bathe South Africans have no right of chasing legal immigrants. Laba abanama rights, even though nabo laba asuke befike lana eSouth Africa banama passports nama ID, iningi labo vele baphethe ama ID ama fake because our officials bathanda imali, so vele abaningi baphethe ama ID ayima fake. Nabo labo chidima laba babo South Africa baze bangenela ngama South African ID, kwatholala lethu ukuthi wantshontshe ID. Imagine, and that girl is back and she's so arrogant. She's taking pictures in Cape Town. Uyalwa utshela ama South Africans ukuthi awayilutho. Like, can you imagine? So the court has said South Africans cannot fight ama illegal immigrants in my clinic. What does that mean? It means ukuthi manje if you South African ubona foreign emgaqweni ulithethisa ulibuza ukuthi where is your paperwork ukuze udayisele emgaqweni uzoboshwa amaphoyisa. If kugcwele clinic iSouth African lile emuva liquleka ama foreigners engaphambili uthi uyakhuluma uyawahlehlisa uthi awahambe uzoboshwa amaphoyisa. There have been a lot of things happening for the past few weeks, actually few days. There's cars that there's banjos ngiyongena eZimbabwe zingena nemithi entshontshwelana there's this even this accident yenzakile kule bhasadeli eZimbabwe kwathi mengabe kutholakala imithi enqwaba bashonile ngaphakathi. Now South African guys, now uRafu says they're going to pay the families of these people who died. Jesus Christ, we talk about 15 people here who were illegal immigrants, and worse, ibhasi labo litholakale nemithi yase South Africa beyintshontshile behamba now. Wena futhi uhulumeni wase South Africa, you are saying you will then compensate this person and pay their families for the fact that they came here illegally. Bantshontsha baba ne car accident bashona ngoba bashonela bese South Africa. Hayi guys, ngeke angi-understand i-law futhi kumele angifuna uku-understand ngoba if this is the law kusho ukuthi umsangane iyabheda. We are facing so many things in South Africa, drugs, anything and everything, and a lot of these people are foreigners, and two, you cannot trace them. I might not be part of people who go to my public clinics, so I understand the frustration yakhona, but things that we read, we feel, and then we see ukuthi there are problems ema clinic. Abantu bamolayina bathi meqoshiwa labantu abama-foreign behlezi beney'ngane bethwele emhlane awazi ukuthi bazala kangakanani. But anyway, after-ke iphumile isinqumo senkantolo abadelela amakorakwera. Hawu nansi enye ividiyo yabo la abadelele bathi nje thina asiyindawo, the government has spoken. However-ke iy'nhlangano ezifana-ke nedudula-ke kanjalo-ke ne-March and March bathe bona hayi cha thina sizoqhubeka silwe nama-foreigners sesiyobonana khona shothi siyothathana phezulu. So of course South African police now are going to arrest the South Africans for fighting for their country. Who doesn't see that this country is going down the drain? Who doesn't see which country othumofika kulona ufike kunendawo kuthiwe yama South African yodwa la abanye abantu bangena? I don't know. I've been to over 20 African countries. Every time I travel, I still feel like I'm a foreigner because they treat me like a foreigner, even though ngifikile ngizohlala few days. Hey.
Ne? Ne?
I stay in South Africa.
Yes.
Leave those kwelekwelers. Me, I'm here in South Africa.
Ne?
Yeah.
Nobody can chase you away.
No one can chase me away. But you Malawi and go to your country.
Nah, which country?
Which country? Malawi. Africa, Musia.
Yes.
We are all Africans.
Yes.